Hey guys, welcome back to Hidden Crown's channel. I thought it would be super fun to show you all the different stacking options that Hidden Crown offers with all of our different style extensions. So I'm going to be showing you several different kinds and kind of talking through how to do it and which are my favorites. So let's get started. First up, I'm going to show you our 14-inch Daydream over our 18-inch Daydream. When you go to stack, this goes for any of the crown extensions, you always want to apply the longer one first, and you want the wire to sit a little bit further back than it would by itself because you're going to be putting on the second crown extension and the wire is going to go in front of the longer ones. The shorter one going on over and the wire going in front of the longer ones keeps the wire separate, and it also locks it in place. So even though you're putting the longer one on improperly by wearing the wire back further, it's okay because the shorter one is going to keep it in place. And always put each one on separately. Comb the wire, comb out all that hair laying under the wire, put it on fully like you would wear it all by itself. Then go ahead and apply the shorter one. Next up is our Hidden Crown 20-inch stacked with the Hidden Crown 16-inch. Again, I'm applying the longer one first. Next up is our 14-inch Daydream crown extension with the crown topper. Now, the cool thing about the crown topper is it can be paired with any of our crown extensions. It doesn't matter which one, it can be paired with them all. I prefer the 14-inch Daydream with my crown topper because it is just such a natural, easy, everyday look, and they are the same length when paired together. So it's very easy for me to throw this on and go and just be ready right away. Next up, we have the Hidden Crown 16-inch with the Daydream 14-inch. Applying the 14-inch Daydream over the 16-inch Hidden Crown. And the last but not least stack option I'm going to show you is our Hidden Crown Layers 18-inch with our Hidden Crown clip-ins, but I'm only going to be using the two side wefts, the shorter wefts that come in the 3-piece set. So the set comes with 3 wefts, but one is longer and it's considered the quad weft. For layering options and stacking options, I'm going to be using just the 2 side shorter pieces. So because this isn't too much added hair, it's not going to be too much, but it's just going to give the right amount of hair in between the length, and it's just going to enhance the layered look. Applying the Hidden Crown layers first properly. Now, the cool thing about the Hidden Crown clip-ins is that you can do this with them with any of our crown extensions. It can be done with our Hidden Crown extension, our Daydream extension. If you're just looking for something a little extra, you don't have to add an entire extension if you're not wanting to or need to. So I'm gonna go ahead and now just part up a portion of my hair and clip it up out of the way. I'm just gonna apply these two side wefts on one side, meeting to the middle, and the other on the other side. All right, so those were my favorite stacking options. There are more that you could try yourself. Now, there are a few rules when it comes to stacking, and we get asked all the time, like, can I stack this one with this one? So when it comes to stacking, you want to either stay in the same style of extensions. So say you want to stack a hidden crown. You want to stack a short hidden crown with a longer hidden crown. If you want to stack Daydreams, you want to stack the 14-inch over the 18-inch. Now, when it comes to mixing the different types of crown extensions, such as the Daydream and the hidden crown or the layers, you never want to stack a hidden crown or a hidden crown layers over a Daydream. The reason being is that the hidden crown extension and the hidden crown layers is so much thicker. So if you were to stack, say, the 12-inch hidden crown over a 14-inch Daydream or over the 18-inch Daydream, you're gonna see a very thick amount of hair in the 12-inch that lays really thick over the less volume Daydream. So you always want your longer extension, the longer length, to be the thickest. So you can definitely stack a Daydream over a hidden crown or a hidden crown layers. You can stack the hidden crown clip-ins over any of the crown extensions, and you can stack a crown topper with any of the crown extensions as well. The rule is you just never want to stack a longer one over a shorter one, and you never want to stack a thicker one over a less volume extension. And that's it. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via email at accounts@hiddencrown.com. Make sure to find us on our other social media platforms below, and check out these videos that correlate with the video you just watched.